moving objects precise distance. So in this case I'll just copy a cabinet, so I'll use the control key, hold that down, click on this cabinet to copy it out here, and I'll place it against this wall in the corner so that it snaps into position here. So if we want to move that object precisely, we just simply right click on it and click position. So you can shift it in the X or Z position, so horizontally or vertically on the screen, and you can move it up and down vertically, and you can move its angle as well. But if we want to move this away from the wall 200 millimeters, then we type 200 in the x-axis and click apply, and it moves precisely 200 millimeters. If we want to move it in the z-axis 200, it'll come 200 down the screen now, so it's now 200 from here and 200 from here. And if you need to go in the opposite direction, you just type a negative value. So if I put it back towards the end, off the end of the wall, I go negative 200 and apply that, and it will shift back in. Now objects can be moved in the groups as well, so any object can be moved in this way. So I'll just delete this object. So I can select a group of objects, so I'll just select these three cabinets here by clicking the select one icon and click on that unit, that one and that one. So I'm first of all going to copy those, so I click operate on selected objects, operations, and I'm going to pick them up. So I pick them up, hold again the control key down so that I can pick them up as a group, and I'll pick them up in this corner here and move them out. Now I'll snap them to the corner of that wall again. Now they're no longer selected, so I just deselect everything and I'll select them again. Now this is just to show how a group can be moved all at once. So I click on the operate on selected objects and position, and I can shift them, say this time it's relative position. So again I'm moving them, say if I move them 200 in the x-axis, that'll move them out to the right, it'll move them as a group. So when I click apply, they will all shift together, and again if I go 200 down, they will all shift down together. So that's how you move groups of objects together. So also you can pick them up, so I can use the pick up function, pick them up in any of the corners or any place. So if I pick them up here, again they'll all come. You can hold the Alt key to rotate them around, so I'm holding the Alt key on the keyboard, clicking the left mouse button and shifting them around, or the right mouse button to give them a 90-degree rotation. So they can be dropped as a group and then manipulated however you want to.